What's going on YouTube? So today I'm headed up Pikes Peak Highway to try to catch some lake trout out of North Catamount Reservoir. I was just here earlier this week and did pretty good on mostly rainbows, and I think a few of them were cut bows, but not 100% sure on which ones were which, because sometimes the lines are a little blurry because of the mixing of the trout species. But anyway, so we're gonna give it a good shot, and yeah, stay tuned. That is Crystal Reservoir. What's going on YouTube? So I am back at North Catamount and just checking things out. We've got quite a few people in our area. So I was gonna fish on that dam side as I did earlier this week, but I guess I'm gonna try another spot. See how we go. The water's really clear, not as windy as it was the other day, so hopefully we do pretty good. So I think I'm gonna try this spot here, so stay tuned. Just got this little rainbow. This guy is almost fluorescent. Pretty little trout. That's just off this little green fly here. All right, let's let him go. I just see another one. Oh, there's several. Let's see, cast right there. Several right here, right in front of me. Let's see if I can get them to strike. There you go. Look at all those trout, guys. Nice. So just tied on the little swim bait. The water is way more clear than it was the other day. Lots of trout swimming by. Let's see if I can get one on the swim bait. I just had a bump. There they are. So the swim bait might be a little large for what's swimming by, but it doesn't mean there aren't any large trout out here. The wind's blowing the oh, there it was. Wind's blowing the opposite direction that it was last week, so kind of shielded by this dam. There he is. There's a trout. There's a trout. Come on, come on. I don't know if you can see that, guys. There's a trout right there. Just got off. He was coming back. Oh, I took the back end of it. There. Oh, the back end. come on. Oh, that was a big one. That was a big one. This bait might be just a hair too big than what they want. But I know there's big trout in there, so I'm hoping I can. I just want to try a different. Oh, I'm getting a hit. Getting a hit. There he is. Oh, he let it go. There's a little guy right there. Maybe he'll strike. Pretty one. Thank you, sir. Oh, and he's off. Oh, he hit it. Come on, guy. Get still, get still. And this guy, a rainbow. Ooh, get still. Hold up. You can see it. Alright, let's get a little release off of them. And this is what I caught them on, that rooster tail. They've been really picky today. Alright, let's get a release. And there's a better one. Alright. That's a little bit of a better one. Yeah. Yeah. Nice little rainbow. Here we go. Oh, close. So today I tried lure after lure after lure, just trying to see what they want, figure out what colors, what style, and tried black rooster tails. I tried brown trout colored rooster tails, and today it just seems like they want this wacky color rooster tail. So should get a hit right through there. They're coming up to the surface. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for this one. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you can be updated on upcoming videos. And remember, fish every river, lake, and ocean, and we will see you on the next one.